I should have dressed as a pirate because today we're gonna be unboxing the OnePlus 13R. That might have been the cringiest intro I've ever filmed in my entire life. Wow. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today we do have with me here the OnePlus 13R, the budget-friendlier option of the new OnePlus 13 series that OnePlus has released with their new smartphone lineup. So I am super excited to see what kind of value this device is providing. But before we get into the actual unboxing, I do need to give a quick thank you and a shout out to OnePlus for actually sending out a OnePlus 13R for me to be able to check out, use, and enjoy. So OnePlus, thank you. I appreciate you. But with that having been said, we do have one little security tab here to undo, to take care of, just like that. And now we are ready to take a quick look at the box. Quick look at the box, you can see, of course, the OnePlus 13R embossed logo right there. Love it. With, of course, the OnePlus logo right there. OnePlus 13R on the left side. OnePlus 13R on the right side. Nothing on top, nothing on bottom. And per usual, some more model information, serial number information, IMEI, all that good stuff on the back. But you don't care about that, you care about what's in this box. So let's take a look inside of it right now. Boom. Never settle. We do have a packet of information here that we are gonna take a quick look at. Oop, there's the phone itself. We're not gonna get ahead of ourselves. We got some business to take care of. Inside this little packet of information in this cardboard box, within the box, I guess you could say, we do have the SIM card ejection tool. Put that over there for later. You will also see, we do indeed have a quick start guide. Gives you a little information on a general overlook on the OnePlus 13R device. And beneath that, you will see a safety guide. So this is your safety guide, safety handling, regulatory information. Fantastic reading if you wanna take a look at that. You can feel free to do so. And then last but certainly not least, we still do have included here a USB-A to USB-C converter. And that is all that comes in the top part of the box. We do have the OnePlus 13R itself right here. I am not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna look at it yet. I will put that off to the side. We have some other things to get to. Underneath where the device itself was, you will see we have a little cardboard divider, paper divider here, and underneath that, we do have included a very rare rarity to see here, included these days, a power adapter and a cable. That is all that comes in the box. Let's take a closer look at the device itself. We shall uncellophane it right now. The OnePlus 13R in the Nebula Noir color. I'm loving the look of this thing. You have a matte finish back right there that feels amazing, complemented with a shiny OnePlus logo right there and the iconic round protruding camera module here from OnePlus. You do have your volume rocker switch as well as your power button right there, and you do have this flat edging that will go on the entire sides of the device itself, with of course your silencer, three-way switch right there, all the way to the bottom of the device where you will be finding your SIM card tray and your USB-C port. And I just gotta say, right off the rip here, I am loving this design. The very flattened front, sides, and back with matte finishes on the side, complementing the matte back. I'm kinda liking this design a little bit more than the design we have on the OnePlus 13. Just saying. Of course, the externals are cool, but we have to see what's going on with the device itself. So let's power this puppy on right now. The OnePlus 13R being turned on and used for the first time. Like I said, I'm very excited to see the kind of value that this device is going to be providing. OnePlus has done a great job in the past with their other R series devices, so I have the same expectations for the OnePlus 13R. We shall see. And if you're not yet already doing so, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you don't miss the full review video for the OnePlus 13R when it drops on this channel. And of course, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the OnePlus 13R, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/OnePlus13R, or of course, as always, there will be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. I'm gonna go cuddle with my OnePlus 13R. Yes, of course, I'm gonna try it out, take photos, try the UI, all the things, but it's so pretty, and I love this design. Just wanna go snuggle with it. I will see you guys in my next video.